A number sequence can also be written like this. N is the position number. So if we wanted to find the first number in the sequence, then n would be 1, and we would have 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 1, 3. If we wanted the second number in the sequence, n would be 2, and we would have 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 1, which is 5. If we wanted the third number in the sequence, n would be 3, and we would have 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 1, which is 7. So if I wanted to write this number sequence out, I would have 3, 5, 7, and if I wanted to carry on, and then 11, and so on. In these questions, I need to find the first 5 terms, and once I've done that, I need to find the 10th term as well. So for the first term of this sequence, n would be 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. For the second term, n would be 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. For the third term, n would be 3. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Now I can see that it's going up by 3 each time, so I can work out the next 2. They'd be 13 and 16. Finally, I want to find the 10th term, so that would be 3 times 10, which is 30, plus 1, 31. For the first term of this sequence, n is 1 and 1 plus 4 is 5. For the second term, n is 2 and 2 plus 4 is 6. For the third term, n is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7. Now I can see it's going up by 1 each time, so the next 2 numbers would be 8 and 9. For the 10th term, I would have 10 plus 4, 14. For this one, when n is 1, I would have 2 minus 5, which would give me minus 3. Then for the second term, n would be 2, so I would have 4 minus 5, which is minus 1. For the third term, n would be 3, so I would have 6 minus 5, which is 1. For the fourth term, n would be 4, so I would have 8 minus 5, which is 3. And for the fifth term, n would be 5, so I would have 10 minus 5, which is 5. For the 10th term, I have 2 times 10, which is 20, take away 5, 15. Here are some questions for you. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers.